ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 Match number 19 Australia vs Zimbabwe. Match played at R. Premadasa Stadium, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Australia won the toss, elected to field first. Zimbabwe 20 overs 169 runs lost by 2 wickets. Brian Bennett is the highest scorer, 64 runs, 56 balls. Then Australia team best bowling spell. Marcus Stoinis 2.5 overs, no maiden, 17 runs, 1 wicket taken. Australia team 19.3 overs, 146 runs, all out. Matt Renshaw is the highest scorer, 65 runs, 44 balls. Then Zimbabwe team best bowling spell. Blessing Mujarabani 4 overs, no maiden, 17 runs, 4 wickets taken. Zimbabwe team won by 23 runs in this match. Player of the match Blessing Mujarabani. Congratulations Zimbabwe cricket team.